Hi, I'm Carrie Obedzinski with Times Microwave Systems and Amphenol Company, and you're watching Real Times, our vlog on industry standards, new products, and everything coax. Today we have Maria Calia. She is our Director of International Markets, and she has a long heritage of working with both Times Microwave Systems and our new sister company under the Times umbrella, new to Amphenol, Micro-Coax. So tell us a little about your history in the RF marketplace and the heritage of these two companies coming together.
Yes, so my journey in RF started about 13 years ago. I actually spent about 6 years in Micro-Coax. I was new to RF then, and I thought it was very challenging, to be honest.
It's still challenging, but in a good way.
It's still challenging every day.
But in a good way, yeah.
But, then I spent 7 years at Times, and 13 years later, I'm still challenged every day. And that's why I'm still here. Because there are so many applications, so many products, and so many ways you can use those products to make a difference in a lot of different markets.
So these two companies kind of coming together, they're keeping their brands separate, but we're under the same umbrella and kind of partnering with all our product lines and sort of understanding each other's strengths and capabilities. Can you talk about that a little bit, please?
Yes, very complementary portfolio.
Yeah.
We're at the top of the pyramid in terms of companies out there that can do RF. But we're also very unique because we can offer generic products, but we can also offer unique solutions. It's because we're the pioneers in the industry, really, if you look at it. Times has been around since the 1940s. Micro-Coax has been as well. So we have built the RF as you know it today, from the semi-rigid to a flexible cable, to working with the military to write the standards that are applicable today and coming up with the products that were needed for some of the harshest environments. Our Miltech product line, for example, trademark with a lot of heritage. And it's not about the heritage, it's really about proven reliability of these products.
Right. And then you take the two lines, right? Yes. You take the two product lines together and the breadth of our products,
the breadth of our products, how strong of a technical team we have. So we really
engineering resources,
and also forward-looking.
Oh, right.
So innovation and looking at what's next for RF, because the world is ever changing.
Right.
So we know things are getting smaller. Products need to be lighter. We all understand the challenges today, because things get smaller, now you have more heat, you have to get rid of that heat. You need products that are more efficient, so you're looking at integrating solutions. So we're looking at advanced materials, and we're not afraid to try. History has proven that we're not afraid to do that. We have explored novel materials like Aracon. Aracon socks, are unique in that sense. Flexible cable, unique dielectric materials that offers specific advantages. So that gives us the opportunity to talk to customers and partner with them to find the right solution.
I always feel like we're trying constantly to go sort of farther, further into outer space, further into the ground, farther into the ocean. That harsher environment is where we play best.
And it's important to think outside the box.
Right.
So how do you do that? Not just building on what you already developed, but thinking, again, innovation, like what are the materials we haven't explored that we could play with and we could create a brand new product to face the challenges of the future, heat, temperature.
So I'm hoping that we have people watching right now that are engineers trying to come up with RF solutions and they're not sure what to do or who to contact or what their next step is. How can they reach out to us and how can we help them?
Well, we have a ton of resources on the website. So
both Times and Micro-Coax. Sorry to interrupt you.
Micro-Coax.
Yep, you can get to both from either place.
And there is, you can definitely reach out to us and someone will get back to you and engage and definitely want to learn more about the application and what the needs are.
Yeah, so we have sales folks in the field, there's distribution.
There is distribution,
and then they will get you in touch with us directly, or you can reach out to us via your website directly. Yes. Well, Maria, thank you so much for joining us. I greatly appreciate it.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah, absolutely. Very excited about this partnership and where we're going to go from here, being the pioneers and the leaders in the RF industry. So with that, thank you for watching Real Time. You could follow, like, subscribe, please, and share. If you'd like to ask us a question, you can do that on our websites, or you could also reach out at realtimes@timesmicro.com. And until next time, stay real.